It's November 21st, 2023, and I'm Reggie Green with Green Home Loans here with your mortgage rate and housing update. Now, if you are watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe below if you like our content on rates and housing. So let's jump right into interest rates. As we had mentioned in our last update, on Tuesday of last week, rates had one of their best days of the year and rates fell down to that 7% range. Now, since then, rates have been in a relatively narrow range. So if we were looking at your scenario today and you're super well qualified, you're probably going to get a 7% with a portion of a point and a 7.375% with 0 points on a regular conventional loan. Now, one of the things we did with our rate sheet is we decided to break these down into points and 0 points, just because a lot of customers and realtors were getting confused that the rates that we were quoting were all 0 points. So hopefully this new rate sheet clarifies that and makes the current rate market a little bit more clear for you. Now, keep in mind, every scenario is different with credit score, with loan to value, with cash out, with a lot of different factors. So if you want an exact quote for your scenario, it's best to contact a Green Home Loans loan officer and let's show you exactly what you could qualify for. Now, we are going to post an article from CNBC citing housing stats over October of 2023. So in October of 2023, home sales hit their lowest rates in 13 years, but we are still seeing houses appreciate. And one of the things we've mentioned a number of times in many of our updates is housing has been underbuilt for 10 years. So even though demand is relatively low right now, the supply is low as well, so that's really stabilizing and increasing housing prices in many markets. So check out that article if you want to get all the details on that. Lastly, we're going to end with the Phoenix Metro Cromford Report. Now, in the Cromford Report Market Index, we've seen a downward trend, and what the CMI index measures is it measures whether the Phoenix Metro housing market is in a seller's market, a balanced market, and a buyer's market. And the CMI index just went below 110. Now, from 90 to 110, Phoenix Metro is considered a balanced market. So this is the first balanced market we've seen in a long time. But keep in mind, a lot of this has to do with seasonality and the holidays. Okay, the CMI index is usually going to go down due to low demand during the holidays. But this really kind of illustrates our point that we've been making. If you are going to buy a house, right now, that winter season, that holiday season is really a great time to buy because a lot of the things like prices and seller concessions go in favor of the buyer. So we really expect the CMI index to start flattening it out over the season and eventually go up during the spring buying season. Now, my name is Reggie Green with Green Home Loans. That's your November 21st, 2023 update. Hope you and your family have a great Thanksgiving. We're Green Home Loans. We do mortgage